morning, everyone. We just woke up and he got in at like, what, 5 a.m.?
Yeah.
I came in a little bit early because I wanted to get rest because I'm probably not gonna sleep tonight. So it's like 1:05, so it seems early to us, but it's not. So I ordered us breakfast, but he doesn't know that yet.
What? Where were you getting food?
It's DoorDash.
Let's go!
So it'll be here in like 5 minutes.
Let's go!
I'm fast.
Yours good, sir.
We forgot we need coffee first.
Oh, it's like I got hit by a train.
Train. That's what he said, train. Can you make it? Oh, shoot.
Just trying to hit an axis quick.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Everything America runs. Look, America. They run. So that they're dunking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
It's hard to dunk without a run.
That's true. That's actually objectively true.
Yo.
I just noticed this. That's cool.
That is really cool.
I like that. I guess that breakfast hit different because we've just been sitting at the hotel talking and vibing and doing some Instagram edits, but we need to make it to the gym because it's already 4:30. But Adam's got the drip right now.
Like, come on.
Packing his suitcase so that he can like sell merch and stuff and get ready for Shapes Live battles later tonight. Right back. Adam left his bag.
I'm so scattered. But also, it's cold as shit. And you cannot tell me that, like, people that are cold as are, like, it doesn't affect their mood. No, they're pissed.
Really appreciate it. You too, sir. Have a good day, brother. Thank you. Hello. Yo, you do have Bing Bang shirts. I'm so hyped. I really wanted one.
I have no idea how much they are.
Their money. Yo, your tricks last night were freaking amazing, dude. I was like, a lot of times, you know, people are at the front desk and they're just like, yeah, I'm just helping out. And then you go out there and throw down. I was like, okay.
I know. I didn't really want to hold back a little bit. I didn't really want to like be, you know, just seshing the entire time. I'm available for helping.
No, that was
stuff,
that was sick though. I didn't know you tricked like that. I like your style a lot. He wasn't even scared. He was like right there. How do you know?
This is a larger. This is a long sleeve.
So Sam Lincoln threatened me if I don't wear the shirt, so I guess I'm changing. Bing bang.
Like that. Yep. Point with your fingers together.
Okay.
There you go. Right here. 1, 2. One more. Good. And that's how you do it, you know?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
put it back for them. Yo, are you guys recording over here? Is this your camera? Whose camera is this? Oh, word.
I saw it. I just wanted to see what you were doing. Yo, Shadow Ledge.
Yo, look at that. You're fighting the ghost of yourself.
What?
Yeah?
I still got it.
Still got it. That looked like a 7-inch step to me.
Yo, easy. Didn't even move those feet.
That's right. Oh, on the shadow. we need a ledge. Where's ledges?
I just went right here.
Yo, yeah. That'll work. That'll help. You got it? No!
I was like, you know, scared to go, all that shit, and then like,
I missed it too. I was recording you talk. That was a good shape.
So before we start the battles, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that made this happen. Thank you to all the donors, everybody showing up, the guests, Sam Kojo for doing the seminars. And you guys, like, you gave me the ability to be part of something. So that means a lot. Thank you. Friendship! Woo! Thank you to Grace Kim for doing all the promos.
Yeah.
We will start the battles literally right now. So who's had the battles?
And we are
Yo. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, Nicholas. Yo, I think people are like, what is going on right now?
It's a ritual.
Oh, this is fucking outstanding. I like how Dave went back out.
I got space. Let me move on.
Hey, what?
Bro. Oh,
That was unnecessary. Is that 16? Hey!
Dude, I don't know my pen. Oh, no, it's in the car.
Ooh!
Yo.
Yo!
Let's go.
Tall boys represent.
Hey!
Oh, you can.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, hell yeah.
I can see it. Oh, Juju. Oh,
Nice.
Cartwheel, I believe in you.
No. Trick battle. Thank you.
That was beautiful. That was great.
Oh wait, do we need to pivot?
Okay. See you later. Have a great drive and safe travels. Bye, hotel room. You were awesome. I made it home. That was an amazing trip and I'm exhausted, so this outro is going to be really short. If you went to BBB gathering, then send me your Instagram so that I can follow you because that was a magical gathering. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't catch the first part of this vlog, then you can watch it right here and bing bang baby.